So the students were invited to work with Roseberry on designing the future of youth homeless shelters.
I've come to this workshop because homeless youth is a big issue for me, one close to home, and I've spent a lot of years feeling disempowered. Not giving up, but disempowered and a bit sad about how to help.
And we were really privileged to be invited into the shelter to speak to people with lived experience, to hear from the staff, and designing with people rather than for people. And that's a really key part of human-centred design and a really important learning for our students.
I'm also impressed that in 3 days, with all that information, all the data, the research, evidence searching, in 3 days to be able to present something is wonderful, and it can be taken and used elsewhere for good results, positive effects.
Just listening to the students, I think that every single one of them hit the brief completely. It's going to be great for us to be able to take away the best parts of each of those concept briefs and come up with a really, really good idea that we can bring into stakeholders, being government and other people that could possibly help us out with the project.
It takes, a tribe of people. It takes multidisciplinary teams, different perspectives to really create large-scale change for this project. We are feeding into something that's so much larger, and it's been a real pleasure to work with Roseberry on this exciting project.